morning, grade 4s. Yesterday you learned about what a preposition is. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about prepositions, and specifically we're going to talk about what a prepositional phrase is. So first of all, just to jog your memory, a preposition is one of these lists of words that usually describe where an object is. Above, below, inside, outside, near, through. All of those are different types of prepositions, and hopefully you've created a poster for yourself so that you can recognize them easily. Now, what about a prepositional phrase then? Well, all that's doing is it's telling you a bit more detail about it. So if it's across, the prepositional phrase will include the preposition, and then it'll tell you across what, by what, with who. So it'll usually be a noun, and it will almost always follow the preposition. So right after this preposition here, you have the object, the what, and that's your noun or your object. So let's just start by identifying these two parts in a prepositional phrase. This first part here says, box the preposition in a circle, and box the preposition and circle the object. So whenever we see a preposition, we're going to box it. Whenever we see an object, we're going to circle it. So all of these here are prepositional phrases. We just need to identify the parts. So box the preposition. It's always going to start with the preposition beneath. And remember, this is where your list will come in very handy so you can recognize which words are your prepositions. So beneath is the preposition. Beneath what? Well, beneath the dark blue ocean. Ocean is the noun, so we circle that. That's the what, that's the object. For is the preposition. A yellow flower. Flower is the object. By is the preposition. John Smith is a name, so we circle all of the name. Until we box it, February is the object. There we go, nice and simple. Now, when we're actually highlighting prepositional phrases, that looks a little bit different. We're going to do this on the back of the page, but when we do it, what we do is we always identify where the preposition is, and then we put brackets around the whole thing, including the preposition, right to the end of the object or the end of the prepositional phrase. To get a bit more practice with that, we're just going to practice underlining the rest of the prepositional phrase. For the rest of these questions, you'll usually be asked to put them in brackets, but for now we're practicing. So let's just try a few. So it says, underline the prepositional phrase in each of the following sentences. The prepositions are already underlined for you. Yay, we have a little bit of an advantage here. Ye are the light of the what? The world. So this is all part of the prepositional phrase. World is the object, but everything in between the preposition and world needs to be underlined because that's all part of the prepositional phrase. Let's keep going. Scones taste good with what? With milk. God will bring us safely through what? Through the dark. So we underline the whole preposition just like that. And to really help you out, because I know yesterday might have been a bit of a struggle, we are going to quickly look at the back of the page as well. So this is page 208, and this is what you will be expected to do for almost all of your actual prepositional questions. So these ones say parentheses, those are our brackets like that, around each prepositional phrase. And then we have to circle the object, the what, in each preposition. So that sounds like fun. I am glad that I go to a Christian school. Which word is our preposition? To is on our list of prepositions. So we're going to start our bracket there, right before that preposition. To what? To a Christian school. So we put the bracket ending right there. And what's the what part? That's the school. So we circle school. Let's do just a few more because it can be a little bit confusing at first. During the school year, we learn many things about the Bible. Which of these words is a preposition? About is a preposition. So right before about, we start our bracket. About what? About the Bible. That's where we end it. Where's the noun? Where's the object? The Bible is the noun, is the object, so we circle it. Let's do just one more together. Toward the end of school day, our teacher reads to us. Looking for that preposition word. To is a preposition. To what? To us. There we go. So that is how we find our prepositional phrases. All the best grade 4s. Have a great day.